Hello, my name is Rachel Anise, otherwise known as the Beauty Professor. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to introduce you to my new customized collection with Girlactik, which is a brand I've loved for over a decade. I've shared favorite products over the years so many times here on YouTube and of course on my site, Beauty Professor. This is my Ready in 7 kit. It's 7 products to create a look in about 7 minutes, full face. And this is the resulting look. I'm going to take you from no makeup to this final look in a short period of time. It might take us a little longer than 7 minutes because I am talking about each of the products as they go. And realistically, if I was doing my makeup quickly, I wouldn't be talking at all. But I want you to get some insight on the products and exactly how I like to use them, how they perform. We started talking about this collaboration, this kit idea last year, and it's taken months and months to really refine it, to choose the products carefully, to select the shades that I think would be most universally flattering, effortless to work with, utilitarian in your day-to-day beauty routine. It's my personal belief that makeup should be fun and it shouldn't take you long to create a full, quick, polished face. You should be able to use a modicum of tools. Today I'm using 3 brushes and a quick sponge, and that's usually more than I use, but I wanted to use something different for each of the products. You should be able to use your fingers to blend out, and whatever products you use should last you most of the day effortlessly. These products do that, and that's exactly why I selected them for this Ready in 7 kit. I'm so proud of this kit. It has been a long time coming. As I said, I've been a fan of Girlactik for well over a decade, and when Galit, who is the founder of the brand, reached out to me about creating this customized kit for you guys, I was honored because there are so many key products that I find really streamline my beauty routine. So without any further ado, let's get into my Ready in 7 kit and my Ready in 7 look. There's a couple things that I did in advance, and that would be putting hot rollers in my second day hair and putting some skincare on right beforehand just to make sure my skin is prepped and moisturized and ready for the makeup steps to come. So I'll start by removing my hot rollers here, and you can just see how it adds some nice volume to my hair. It's not super curly, but these are the rollers that I use almost every day or anytime that I'm leaving and want my hair to look its best. And here we have just nice, bouncy, voluminous hair, and on to the makeup. As aforementioned, my Girlactik Ready in 7 kit has everything you need to get your face ready in 7 minutes. These are multitasking products that wear beautifully all day. And this quick routine that I'm going to show you is designed to be done in approximately 7 minutes. Obviously, adjust per your own schedule and process and style. Here is exactly what I do. The foundation of this look is courtesy of the Luminous Face Powders. This is one of my absolute favorite products from Girlactik. I've loved it for years, and my match is medium, but I'm going to be showing you how I use medium and dark today to create a really easy canvas and an eye look. It's buildable. It imparts beautiful coverage to the skin, but you can really customize it from light or sheer all the way to nearly full coverage without it looking cakey. It has a soft, luminous finish, almost like a soft filter for the skin, and without a powdery aftercast, if you will. So I don't see a powdery finish, just a soft skin-like luminous one. I'm just going to go in and sweep it all over my canvas. So I'm starting like this and just dusting it on. You can see it's already evening my skin, really softening any redness or discoloration while still letting my real skin shine through. So I'll do half my face so you can see. I'm actually going to skip concealer today and use a little bit more of this powder right with the under eye region, just precisely applying. And here you can see the difference. This is my face with the medium luminous face powder, my skin without. I'm gonna get really close so you can see. Without, with, so natural. I'm going to finish the rest of my canvas. And my full canvas is now complete. You can see it's got a beautiful skin finish, but my skin also looks like velvet. I've not had excellent experiences with a lot of powder foundations that I've tried. I love the concept. I think it's great when it's portable, but oftentimes you're left with a powdery finish that creases. This one does not. So much so that I feel safe and comfortable putting it in my under eye region. On to contour and bronzer and also my eye look. So I'm now working with the Luminous Face Powder in Deep. This is such a gorgeous, rich tan brown color and so neutral, it doesn't pull orange. It just makes your face look sculpted and warm. And I'm going to first apply like I would a bronzer, just using a cheek brush for this, bringing it through the hollows of my cheeks. You can see a little actually goes a really long way. So I bring it along the perimeters of my face, all around like this. It's warming everything up while looking super natural. A little more right in here. And you can see what a quick, it's just evident what a quick step this is, and it's truly a transformational one. The whole face looks sculpted, warm, contoured, sun-kissed. I'm now going in with an eye brush and I'm going to use the same exact color on my lids. I love a bronzer for eye moment because you're multitasking. So this beautiful rich brown is going to be effortless on my eyelids. And I'm just bringing it up and through. Your application choice, of course, is expressly yours. Some people choose to just move it right in the crease. I like an overall wash of color, so that's what I'm showing you. But you have a lot of options here. I'm also going to use a different product as a transition color shortly all the way up to my brows, so we'll come back to eyes. But you can see how this just blends out like a second skin. And it's such a beautiful warm brown tone. I'll also bring a touch along my lower lash line here, just for continuity. Now the complexion eyes have really been addressed quickly. I'm going to go in with a little cheek color using a fluffy cheek brush for this, and this is Florence. It's a blush duo with a satin matte finish that is just so pretty on the skin. I think it's fresh, it's enlivening. We have a deeper shade and then a little bit lighter shade, and I'll just tap into both and bring them along the apples of my cheeks here. See, it's just this really pretty neutral peachy wash of color. If you're not a fan of shimmer and blushes, this is going to be an excellent option for you. And I like it because you can build the intensity, but it's really, really soft and pretty. You can't really overdo it, even if you're applying quickly. Look at that. I'm using the glossy lip liner in the shade Delilah, which looks like this. I think what makes this lip liner so special is that first off, it's a gorgeous rose hue that I think works really well with a variety of complexions, but also it's got a glossy finish, so it's not dry, but it's long wearing. So I'll just go ahead and sweep it through here. Really just keeping it on the perimeters of my lips, a little closer to my natural lip line. Sometimes I just top it with a balm. In this video, because I have another lip component, I'll show you what I like to top it with. That's got a little more color, a little more polish to it, but this is a great liner to wear just with a slick of clear gloss too. So silky, it feels amazing on the lips. All right, to make eyes pop, I love a little bit of long wear eyeliner in the waterline. You can also, of course, take it up for the evening as a cat eye if you wish, but today I'm just going to show you my waterline trick because that's typically what I do in the daytime. This is the long wear gel eyeliner. It's retractable, no sharpening necessary, which makes it excellent for my makeup bag where I rarely travel with a sharpener. It just glides on. Did you see how easy it was? And it's a super deep onyx. Once it sets, it does not budge. And I'm just going to apply with one hand right now so you can see how easily it sweeps along the waterline. Here we go. This is a transformational move. Liner, no liner. It definitely adds polish and pop to the eye, but it's not over the top, even for daytime. Here we go. So I'm 5 products in, with 2 more to go for our 7 products in about 7 minutes. And now I'm using the Glow on the Go stick. This is a retractable chubby highlighter. It's a universally flattering, soft pearlized champagne. And this is probably my third or fourth stick over the course of the last few years. So it travels really well, it's lightweight, and you get that glow on the go, that highlighter effect in very secure packaging. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the high points of my face right now. And I told you I was going to be using a transition color to my brows. It will also be this stick. So I bring it through here, bring it through the high points here, and I'll just show you how easily it blends out. If you're looking for a super glittery, chunky highlighter, this is not it. But to me, that's why I love it. It's like a second skin effect. Look at the luminosity. It's like a matte glow almost. And you can really be precise with it since it's in this like chubby pencil form. Moving in here, making sure to blend out a little on my Cupid's bow. Like I said, just a touch more on the tip of my nose here. This is a grown-up highlight as far as I'm concerned. You can't overdo it because it's so subtle, but the effect is major. I love it. It just makes your skin look lit from within. Final step, step number 7, is a touch of lip color. And this is the Girlactik Matte Lip Paint. This is one of the first products I ever tried from the brand nearly a decade ago. And this shade in particular is called Innocence. And it's just this rich, neutral pink that will flatter a spectrum of skin tones. Really full opacity in a single pass, so a little goes a long way. Even though it's matte, it's not drying. It's long wear, it's really comfortable. It also plays well with gloss if you decide to make it shiny. So it has a lot of versatility. Go in and just apply a touch to my lips now, which have already been lined, of course, with Delilah. It's a little bit lighter than Delilah, and then once it settles, it deepens a touch. I love this kind of combination, a slightly darker liner, a slightly lighter lip. So creamy, so smooth. Look at this finished lip mix. Truly effortless. And here is a final look at my Girlactik Ready in 7 look using all 7 products very quickly, effortlessly, and best of all, these products, which are made in the USA, come together as a bundle, so the discount you will get buying it as a bundle is insane, as it is such a deep value. Also, just as a reminder, you can customize your powder choices. So for me, I wear medium, but you also have a fair and a light and a neutral, which is a hair lighter than medium, and then of course a deep option. So you've got choices in addition to, of course, receiving the deep as an eye and cheek enhancer. I hope you enjoyed watching this look come to life so quickly, and please let me know if you have any questions at all about any of the products in the set. I also have a code from Girlactik, which will give you 25% off anything else on the site because the kit is already so deeply discounted. If you would like other Girlactik suggestions, I will list them in the details box below, along with a link to the kit. And it can also help you with shade matching your powders. If you have any questions at all, you can just drop me a comment, DM me, send me an email. You know all the ways to find me. I'm thrilled to be able to offer this Girlactik Ready in 7 kit to you guys, and hope you love it as much as I do. Good things coming up on my channel, as well as my Instagram, daily content there, my LTK shop where I post more, and then of course at Beauty Professor, which can be found at beautyprofessor.com. Take care.